2, 1. Hi guys, I hope you're doing fantastic today. Are you fantastic?
Yes, we are fantastic today with my global village and with all our friends around the world.
With your friends connected, remotely connected here, so a large public. You don't know him, that guy yet, but please, ladies and gentlemen, please give a super warm welcome to the president of this pitching session, Pascal Fievé, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you so much.
Pascal Fievé is with us this morning.
And you applause because I am a contributor.
You are a contributor and you have a power that our candidate does ignore. You are capable to turn their solution, their technology into success story in Belgium and in all the European.
But we are looking for that. We are hungry about innovation and new product and about experiences. And I think we are too small to don't share this experience. And if you do something, I will sell it for you, and vice versa. And maybe it's the target of my global village, and that is why we are happy to share that with you.
And very happy. So you stay with us. And so, of course, as we are on the Belgium booth, we're going to welcome the master of the ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, very warm welcome to Gilles, MC Gilles from AWEX. Hello, Gilles. And happy to have you on stage. Well, I cannot say welcome because you are at home here.
Yeah, well,
Introduce
AWEX. Welcome to you.
One more time, you did an extraordinary work gathering all the Walloon super startups. Please introduce yourself.
Yes, thank you, Marc Lionel. So Gilles from Wallonia, Belgium, coordinator of that booth from Pavilion for Belgian Pavilion with about 30 companies this year. Good companies in a whole range of technologies for smart cities and sustainable cities. Very glad to have you for one more pitching session on the booth. And today is about tech. So I think it's going to be very interesting. And I'm not sure which we start. But I'm sure it's going to be great.
Thank you so much. Thank you for being here. So now we're going to start the ceremony. Please, dear jury members, show yourselves, raise your hand here. You won't see the remotely connected. But we have also with us Bertrand, for instance, in Portugal. Bertrand, welcome again. How are you doing this morning?
It's nice to meet you all.
Yeah, Bertrand is located in Portugal. He is what we call in my global village one of our tech exporter. Is able to take your company if he's convinced today and he will click on the blue button. He will say, I can help you land in Portugal. We have tech exporter in Portugal thanks to Bertrand. How is the business in Portugal right now, Bertrand?
I just have a problem with my son.
Yeah, we do hear you very well, perfectly. So,
yeah, definitely.
Okay. So thank you for being here. Thank you for helping the company to land. Portugal business is going well. If I have a super Tech4cities, you will help me to land in Portugal?
Definitely, we have several cities already involved, like Cascais, like in the north of Portugal, also around Porto, you have several cities involved in smart cities. So you're more than welcome to contact me. It will be a pleasure to introduce you to this contact in Portugal.
Okay, so when we're going to start the competition right now, dear jury, prepare your questions for the candidate. Dear candidate, so please stay tuned because we will show about 4 solutions. Then we'll have a series of questions. Then 3 or extra solution, and at the end, of course, we will know live the name of those that will be connected with the tech exporter. So first steps today, it's a detection pitch. We will discover your technology. Then we will receive, dear candidate, a form where you specify the country you want to accelerate, where you specify if you're looking for money, clients, distributors, country per country, and my global village will help you land, of course, with the president, Pascal, and all the partners. That's how it works. Let's start by the first page. Who's going to be the first? So what's the name of the first candidate? He's going to be remotely connected. Okay, Jan, are you ready? You're going to be remotely and you're going to be our first candidate. Please share your screen. Everything is okay, Jan? Say something.
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm here.
We do see you, so please share your screen, and you know the rule. You're gonna have 90 seconds to convince. Go ahead.
Yeah, just I think that may I use the screen of Arwen?
Ah, you wanna? Okay. If you want to use the screen of Arwen, okay. If you prefer, go ahead. So ask the. You can pilot it. Okay. Ask it, and we'll offer.
So I start with two key assumptions. The first one is that city needs dedicated IoT networks to support the growing demand for smart city application. This is the first key assumption. The second one, which is the next slide, is the fact that obviously it's not the role of municipalities to be responsible to operate those networks. Furthermore, as there are a lot of technologies, so that's not the role of the municipalities to decide which technology to use. So next slide, and this is where we come in. So we are not talking about investing in a new technology to the municipalities. Instead of that, we offer the municipalities the possibility to make all the existing and future third-party networks to collaborate and to build at the end a global network, but just based on the current and future existing sub-networks. Next slide. So obviously this innovative network approach not only fully reduce drastically the cost for the municipalities to invest in a network, but it's also a fully technology agnostic approach that will embrace all the existing and future technology. It's the you will be sure that the network will be every day more dense, more robust, more efficient, and it's also a way to engage all the local players to collaborate all together. So I think that my 90 seconds have passed away.
Yeah. But it was a very great job. Congratulations. Please warm applause for our first candidate. Who's going to be the next candidate, Arwen? Tell me. Biopower. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Biopower here on stage. Okay, you've got a microphone. You've got... Okay, go ahead.
Hello, thank you. We are Biopower. We're a software company. We're specialized in smart charging for EV fleets. We use an AI algorithm in order to understand what is the best strategy for charging the EV vehicles in different situations. Either it's a e-bus company, either it's a waste management fleet. What we try to do is to reduce the peak load, to reduce the cost of energy, to reduce the carbon footprint, and also to keep the better life of a better life of battery, just through an AI algorithm that allow us to understand what is the best thing to do in every situation, doing calculations every 30 seconds in order to be aware of every new event that happens in the grid. So what we try to do is reduce, as said, the cost for the operator, but as well the complexity of the charging process of the EVs. So that would be, we're working with several customers in Spain already, but as well in Europe. So we're trying to grow, and finding new partners to explore our solution.
Okay, you are at the right place, guys. Thank you so much. And if you, of course, you want to partner with this tremendous solution, please go away. Who's going to be the next candidate? The next candidate is Get a Buddy. Get a Buddy, ladies and gentlemen. Get a Buddy. Where is the buddy? The buddy. Yeah, it should be supposed to be here. Okay, let's move to the next candidate. Maybe if we have lost them, we will see. So let's see. Are you ready? Who's going to be the next? Let's discover Schrader SA. Ladies and gentlemen, Schrader, super warm applause.
Thank you. So I have 90 seconds. I'll try to do it in 85 because I love to save energy. So let's do it. So my name is Pedro Pinto. I'm a customer director at Schrader, a Belgian company. And we are working with cities all over the world in street and public light. And one of the things that we are working more is on the sustainability. And you know, most of the cities want to save energy. And right now what they are doing is turning off the lights. But why to compromise? So we at Shredder, we just created a solution that is LightSync. That is a solution that enables the cities collecting data immediately from the cloud, and with that data decide what is the dimming level that they need for each specific time at each specific location. So this is LightSync, really simple. We don't need to connect with sensors, so we connect with data that is available, TomTom data, weather data, and based on simple rules to transform these into dimming level to save energy, but to provide the best light at any time to the citizens that are at the street. And this is LightSync from Shredder.
Thank you very much. Prepare your question for this candidate, as this candidate, the first remotely candidate, any of the candidate, dear jury members, in 1 second. So now let's go back to the former, yes, he say get body, but when you got lots of bodies, sometimes you will also prepare get body presentations. And of course, I'll be very happy to introduce those guys. In the meantime, maybe Bertrand, please join to me. Do you have any questions for we're ready? Okay, no, it's already, it's going to be the next. Okay, question right after. Get ready, guys. Yep. Raphaël, you ready? Tu es prêt?
I am.
Okay, please, closer to the microphone.
Yes.
90 seconds.
Is this enough? Yeah, close enough. Okay, guys, so I'm going to talk to you quickly about Get a Buddy. It's a project that we envision together is to help people integrate better with the city in which they live. Cities like Barcelona, for example, more than 20% of the people who live here, they are expatriates. And it is one of the biggest challenges for them is integrating with the city. So to help with that, we came up with a buddy system. And the buddy system consists of 3 pillars. It's basic information that we can have about the city to help you integrate into it. Then we also have AI to further dive deeper into the possibilities of living in the city and what it can offer to you. And one of the big attractions actually of our application is the buddy system, because there's no better way for you to integrate into the city in which you live and for you to be able to overcome all of the challenges of living in a new city than actually getting the information directly from the locals. So based on those 3 pillars, we think that you can, with accuracy, get the best possible information to do the integration of people who just come to a new city. And that's it.
And that's very brilliant. Congratulations, guys. Please stay with us because we usually have questions. Now it's time, guys, for the questions. Dear jury members, remotely, Bertrand, and all the rest, do you have any questions for any of the candidates? That's your turn. Any questions? Come on stage, Bertrand. Jump on stage. I can translate if you want. No problem with that. So, please. Okay. So, a question for who? Okay, I can translate. Okay, one question. Vas-y, go ahead.
Pour la présentation qui a été faite avec l'innovation sur les systèmes d'éclairage.
Ouais. Tu peux t'asseoir. En fait, devant la caméra. Okay, yeah. So for the innovation for the light, what's the name of the? You remember the name of the lightning? Yeah. That's the question. John, okay, come on stage. Yeah. So what's the questions?
Quels sont les
retours
d'expérience?
The return on experience you got on that space. And he is an elected person. He's dealing with circular economy and cost reduction. So. Be convincing there's money in front of the
So we all know that transforming the light in LED already saves a lot of energy, mostly 50 to 75%. But with this approach, we can save an extra of, in average, 20%. This doesn't mean that we will always save, because sometimes we put the lights 100%, because if it's raining or high traffic, we just, first, before saving, we really need to save lives. So first we want to save lives and give the best light to everybody, but then we can save, and as I said, in average we are seeing we can save an extra 20%, especially during winter, with the usage of LightSync and with a platform to control the lights.
Impressive. Does it answer to your questions? Guys, any jury members, any question for other candidates? D'autres questions, maybe? Some other question, Bertrand, connected? Okay, one question. Yes, we do see you. Go ahead, Bertrand. Okay.
My question is for Get Ready. Is it like a social network for expatriates or also to have advice for people arriving in the city? In this case, who is providing advice to people?
Okay, come on. Thank you for your questions, Bertrand. Okay, and if you are connected, dear tech exporter, get ready and don't forget to click on the blue button if you want to partner with some of the candidates. Go ahead.
Thank you very much for the question, Bertrand. It's a little bit more than just a social networking. It is a hub for information about the city. So we try with the application to cover the information on the city on a couple of different levels. We have the basic level where we work together with the city directly to bring the information directly to the user. That would be information about security, safety, networking, and bureaucratic stuff that people need to do every day. Nobody likes to do it, but people can do it. But we also, on top of that, we bring the possibility of buddies, and they are really ambassadors for the city, and they can help expats in dealing with these day-to-day questions, these day-to-day challenges, with more information and with better information, because they have been living in the city and they already know how to deal with these problems. So they get this experience and they pass it on, this experience, to the expats and the newcomers and the new users. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you for these questions. Okay, now let's move up, Arwen, to the next candidate. Who's going to be the name? Renew Tech, are you ready? Iles, ladies and gentlemen, he's young, his first appearance, but you will see that the technology is great. I think you do it in French and I'll have to translate, yes. Isn't it? Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Donc.
Okay, hello.
Hello.
Bonjour.
Bonjour à tous.
Vas-y. Okay, hi
Aujourd'hui, on entend souvent parler d'hydrogène.
C'est
apparemment l'énergie du futur.
It's obviously an energy of the future.
Nous, notre objectif, c'est de démocratiser l'hydrogène à l'échelle mondiale. Pourquoi? Parce qu'on pense profondément que c'est l'énergie, c'est une énergie plus durable, plus efficace et moins coûteuse. Et qui dit hydrogène dit pile à combustible. Malheureusement, les piles à combustible présentes sur le marché aujourd'hui connaissent rapidement des limites. Et donc, chez Renew Tech, on développe une pile à combustible 2 fois moins coûteuse, 2 fois plus performante et qui a une durée de vie 2 fois plus longue. Aujourd'hui, on a différentes manières d'utiliser l'hydrogène dans différents cas d'usage. Ce qu'on a fait, c'est qu'on a intégré cette pile à combustible dans un générateur afin qu'elle puisse être utilisée dans 3 cas d'usage. L'habitat, Smart City, la mobilité, donc train, voiture, bateau, et aussi l'industrie. Pourquoi? Parce que notre deuxième conviction profonde chez Renew Tech, c'est qu'on n'arrivera pas à changer le monde si on développe de nouvelles infrastructures qu'on pense plus durables. Car aujourd'hui, leur empreinte carbone, pour qu'elles arrivent à la neutralité, il nous faut au minimum une vingtaine, voire une quarantaine d'années pour certaines infrastructures. Donc nous, on défend l'upfit et la retrofit. Donc rendre les éléments infrastructures actuels plus durables, justement en les alimentant avec un générateur alimenté à l'hydrogène lui-même, en intégrant des piles à combustible dans des voitures, dans des trains, dans des bateaux. Et voilà pour moi.
And it's it. Thank you so much, Elias. Next time you're gonna have to do it in English, huh?
Yes.
Otherwise, the police will come.
Okay.
No, it's very good job, and it's really impressive. This candidate is a serious guy. If you want to partner, of course, dear coordinator in a country, yes, stay with us. Question could come. So who's gonna be the next? We are close to the end. It's gonna be the last, but not the. No. Okay. No. No. Okay. Sorry. Give me the name. Please. No, not the last. 4 candidates. Now I'm calling Wave, guys. Wave with a super warm applause to Wave. Come on, I don't hear you. Okay, thank you so much. Welcome on board, Wave. Doing tremendous work. How are you doing? Go ahead. 90 seconds to convince.
Thank you, guys. So I'm part of Wave, a startup from the AGC group, and what we love to do with Wave is to propose new solutions to deal with connectivity issues. So first one is wave through. What we do with wave through, we come up with a robot and do an invisible laser treatment to improve the mobile signal indoor. So you have experienced bad indoor connectivity issue in your house, in your workspace. That's what we deal with wave through. The opposite is wave trap. Wave trap is an electromagnetic shielding glass. And what we want to do is to avoid electromagnetic waves. This is very important for cybersecurity and cyber threats, and the defense segment is very, very sensitive to this aspect. And the third product is wave antenna. Wave antenna is this product, and the issue we solve is for premium building owners. They want to respect design constraints when they deploy wireless infrastructures, especially Wi-Fi and private 5G. And that's what we deal with wave antenna. And moreover, we can print, as you see, some signage, and therefore we can make an antenna double in one and decrease the cost of installation by embedding security signage, functional signage, on even branding and logo. That's it for me.
But that's it, and it's a very good job, Clément. Very, very good job. Who's going to be the next, Arwen? Thank you. Next candidate, prepare your questions. And dear candidates, stay with us because you will know at the end the 3 winners. You will have visibility next week in a web summit, in CES Vegas, in major tech event where my global village is now located. The next candidate is Dig Dash, Brazil. Where are you doing? Ladies and gentlemen, a super very warm applause to Dig Dash. Go ahead.
Thank you. Hello, I am Basil. I'm glad to be here to present you DigDash, our solution, and how it helps public authorities to communicate, to improve their communication from their data. Our solution, DigDash, is the only BI solution 100% European and agnostic of any ecosystem. And how it is helping public authorities to improve their communication. Well, this day in organizations, there is a lot of different type of data sources. Files, report, database, and the challenge is to be able to combine, to consolidate all these data type, all the data source type, to be able to produce some KPI and to deliver this KPI to different audience. And the challenge is also to be able to host such a solution on-premise or on a server that will respect the data sovereignty. And with DigDash, our customers are able to consolidate, to combine all this data and to valorize into such report, but also some dashboard, internal or external, report generated automatically, newsletter that we will deliver automatically to your audience. Because the key point is to be able to transform the abbreviation KPI to the watchword, keep people informed. And with DigDash, we have many customers of public sector that are using our solution to be able to build, for example, some transparency portal, such as government department, public agencies, universities, local authorities. I will enjoy giving you more information about our solution, so feel free to come and see us at the French Pavilion to have more information.
Very good job. Thank you, DigDash. And of course, even the candidate, don't hesitate to partner, because you know the philosophy of my global village is to hunt new clients in group, and most of you are more complementary than competitors, so please join us and follow. It's going to be the last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, Videtix. Caroline, how are you doing, Caroline? Welcome on board. Okay. No, but today it's without slide, and tomorrow you're going to have your slides. Go ahead. Ok, en français si tu préfères. Ok, and I translate.
Bonjour à tous.
Hello everyone.
Aujourd'hui, je représente Videtix.
Today I'm presenting Videtix.
De l'analyse vidéo grâce
it's a solution of video analytics for the circulation, the traffic.
Des solutions pour les villes.
Je t'entends pas.
Ah oui.
Voilà. Okay.
D'apporter des solutions pour les villes, pour qu'elles deviennent intelligentes et sécurisées.
So with security and intelligence.
Grâce à notre logiciel, on va utiliser les caméras qui sont déjà existantes et on va faire remonter des données importantes pour les centres de sécurité et pour les élus de la ville. On va faire du comptage de personnes, du comptage de véhicules pour tout ce qui est mobilité, mais également on va être face aux problématiques de, par exemple, du dépôt sauvage, du maraudage de personnes, de l'investigation de personnes lorsqu'on a besoin de retrouver des individus suite à des incivilités. Donc on va apporter ce type de solution grâce à des serveurs d'analyse vidéo qu'on va venir poser et qui sont complètement agnostiques à toutes les caméras déjà existantes. On est une solution française développée en France et donc notre solution va pouvoir être adaptée à tout type de ville, que ce soit les petites villes ou alors les grandes villes qui ont plusieurs centaines de caméras déjà existantes. Le but, c'est d'améliorer la mobilité, la sécurité et le bien-être des concitoyens.
Thank you so much, Caroline. Merci beaucoup. That's all for today. One last series of questions, guys. Who wants to ask any question to any of the candidates? Any questions? Any candidates? On a perdu Bertrand. We have lost Bertrand. Ah no, okay, there is. And okay, go ahead, Bertrand. From Portugal, we have many Bertrand today. Please turn on your camera and ask your question, Bertrand. For who?
My camera is on now?
Yeah, it's okay. We do see you right now. Very well.
Okay, perfect. Une question pour Caroline.
A question in French for Caroline. Yeah. How do you convince cities, and how do you need to be integrated on the city system, or is it still independent? Your answer, Caroline.
Alors, notre système va s'intégrer directement sur les caméras qui sont déjà existantes.
Okay, it's a directly
Donc, on
integrated
fait la partie
system on
intégration de
existing
notre côté.
CCTVs. We
Et en fait, on
integrate
va
directly,
récupérer les données
and we get
vidéo
the data
pour les analyser
to
en temps
analyze
réel
them
sur les
real
serveurs qu'on
time
va
on
installer
our
localement.
server.
Donc, il n'y a
Yeah.
pas de système de cloud, c'est vraiment localement
It's not a
que
cloud
les
system, it's
personnes vont
locally
recevoir
done.
les informations.
Okay, thank you. Another questions to another candidate. Anyone, dear jury? Any question? Allez, okay, come on, Laetitia. Okay, one question, please jump on board. Obviously, it's going to be a French question for a French candidate, isn't it?
Voilà, c'est une question
A
en
question
français pour
for
un candidat
RT.
français.
For
Moi, je voulais
Ilyes.
savoir où vous en étiez de la commercialisation.
Well, so
Si vous aviez vendu, si tu as
Did you
déjà des
start?
clients, du
Are
chiffre
you
d'affaires et
still
tout
on
ça.
a pre-seed project? At what level of development are you?
On est
So,
du coup encore en phase. On
we
a
are
passé la
here.
phase d'idéation il n'y a pas si longtemps que
So
ça.
we are just
On
incubating.
prévoit
So we are
la pré-commercialisation d'ici fin d'année.
pre-commercialization by the end of this year.
Janvier, enfin au début d'année.
Yeah, I
Et
think
industrialisation
industrialization
courant de l'année.
will be
Parce que les avancées
during.
techniques elles se sont faites assez rapidement.
Yeah.
En fait,
So
on
because there
est
are
issu
new
d'un autre projet
technology
de l'hydrogène.
that
Donc
use,
en termes
yes,
de recherche et de
developed
développement, on est
from
déjà à
another
10 000 heures.
project.
Et donc
So
là,
10,000
les équipes
hours
concentrent
of
leur force
development
justement sur la
and they are more
commercialisation
concentrate
et l'industrialisation en
industrialization.
parallèle.
So, dear exporter of every country, if you want to partner, it's now and time.
Et
Yeah.
vous avez déjà levé des fonds?
And did you raise fund already?
Tout à fait. On a fait un premier tour de table à 450 000 euros.
Yes,
Il
first
y a
round table
à
is
peu près
40,
3 mois.
40, 50.
Et là, on vient de valider
€,
un
and now
deuxième tour
a
de
new
table à
round
2,5 millions d'euros.
and
Donc on a
2.5
levé au total
million euros.
2 950 000 euros.
Yes, so okay, so it's around 3 million euros raised already
Merci.
to launch. Thank you, very good job, Elise. Any other
You're
additional
welcome.
question for any candidate? Okay, so now, dear jury members, Bertrand in Portugal, all the jury members, all the connected tech exporter, please end up your vote. Did you send the vote? It's on already. David in the My Global Village center. Okay, yeah, and he has one just to specify. He's got a booth just beside here. So if you want to partner with Elias, not for you, Bertrand, but you just have to click on the blue button. David, now we're gonna discover the results. So the number 3, the third version that will be connected automatically is Videtix. Videtix has been awarded number 3, ladies and gentlemen, number 3. Thank you so much. Number 2 is Shredder. Shredder AC, welcome on board. And number 1 is Get a Buddy. Get a Buddy has been awarded number 1. Okay, so those winners will be sure to be focused on our next 3 events on the global agenda of the 40 event of the year. So we'll have the possibility to pitch if you're raising fund or to join our group, because now we have what we call the Innovation Squad. So, and you will, with the Innovation Squad, prepare what we call tech shows, so it's some kind of pitch, but organized, you know, in a logical series, and it's a show here on stage like this, tech review and tech show. So get connected with Arwen for the next step. But for all the candidates, you have been connected, and you have look at your mail, because you have been connected with the blue button by our coordinator, and in the coming month they will see your video and you can be connected and co-opted on Innovation Squad. So that's it for today. You will also be connected by our partners, media, so let's be connected and let's stay tuned for the rest. Thank you very much. Congrats to the candidates, and let's stay tuned this afternoon for the second pitching session. Thank you.